Okay, when installing the graphics, go start on one end first. So put it on one side like so. Then you go on the opposite side diagonally from it and install this. You pull it over here. You pull it this way. So now you're on the opposite ends, and go ahead and install it, put it in. While you're pulling it, insert it into the groove all the way through, and on the ends, tuck it in so none of that extra material is gonna be out. So from here, now you could insert everything in. Actually, we'll go on that one corner, pull and insert. It's gonna be a little tough, but it will be tight. Pull and insert until you get to one corner. Again, tuck it in on the corners like so. And then in here, you go ahead and insert all the way. Same on the corners. It's gonna be tight, but this is how you do it. Make sure the hands are clean because this is white. You don't want any dirty edges. And there you go.